Welcome to the top best. The best bleach repair is probably one of the most sought-after solutions for anyone who has recently undergone the transformative, yet often damaging, process of bleaching their hair. We've all been there, the desire for a lighter, brighter look leading to strands that feel dry, brittle, and in desperate need of some serious TLC. This video dives deep into finding the ultimate product that promises to restore your hair's health, shine, and strength, turning those post-bleach woes into a distant memory with effective, nourishing ingredients and innovative formulas designed to mend and protect. Number 5. Bold Uniq Purple Hair Mask. Are you looking to achieve the perfect blonde, platinum, or silver shade? This mask is designed to neutralize unwanted yellow tones, giving you a cooler, more vibrant look. Say goodbye to brassy and yellow hues. Our formula effectively tones and brightens blonde, bleached, and gray hair, ensuring a beautiful, consistent color. It doesn't just tone, it also nourishes. This mask deeply conditions dry and damaged strands, leaving your hair feeling soft, smooth, and revitalized. We believe in beauty without compromise. This product is proudly cruelty-free and vegan, so you can feel good about using it. Whether you have blonde, ash, or gray hair, this mask is your go-to solution for maintaining and enhancing cool, beautiful tones. Achieving salon-quality results at home is simple. Just apply this mask to your hair, let it work its magic, and rinse for refreshed, toned locks. What we like. This mask is your go-to for neutralizing unwanted yellow tones, leaving your blonde or silver hair looking fresh and vibrant. It also deeply conditions dry, damaged strands, making it perfect for those who want to maintain their cool-toned hair. If you have bleached hair and struggle with brassiness, this is the product for you. What people say. This product is amazing for bleached hair. It leaves my hair feeling soft and looking healthy. I have tried many products for my bleached hair, but this one is by far the best. It has helped to repair the damage and make my hair stronger. Number 4. K18 Leave-In Molecular Repair Hair Mask. Introducing a breakthrough in hair care. This patented mask offers lasting repair for even the most compromised hair. Are you struggling with dryness and frizz? This product is designed to bring your hair back to life. Witness incredible results in just 4 minutes. It effectively reverses damage caused by chemical services and heat styling. Harnessing patented molecular technology, it works deep within the hair structure. Experience true, lasting repair. Don't let treatments like bleach and color compromise your hair's health. This mask actively repairs and protects. Rediscover your hair's natural strength and softness. It's the ultimate solution for damaged, overprocessed locks. What we like. Experience a revolutionary repair that works at a molecular level, reversing damage from chemical services and heat in just 4 minutes. This patented formula is ideal for severely damaged hair, offering lasting results. If you're looking for a quick yet powerful solution to repair bleached or chemically treated hair, this is it. What people say. My hair felt noticeably softer, smoother, and much easier to manage. It also helped reduce frizz and made my hair look healthier and more hydrated. A small amount goes a long way, so the bottle lasts longer than you might think. It uses a bioactive peptide that reconnects broken keratin chains inside the hair shaft itself, which is something a deep conditioner cannot do. Number 3. K18 Leave-In Molecular Repair Hair Mask. Introducing a breakthrough in hair care. This patented mask offers lasting repair for even the most compromised hair. Are you struggling with dry, frizzy, or damaged locks? We have the solution you've been searching for. Witness incredible results in just 4 minutes. It effectively reverses damage caused by chemical services and heat styling. Harnessing patented molecular technology, it targets the core of hair damage. Experience a transformation like never before. Restore your hair's health and vitality. Say goodbye to damage from bleach, color, and chemical treatments. Enjoy the benefits of lasting repair and beautifully revitalized hair. It's the ultimate solution for damaged strands. What we like. Experience a revolutionary repair that works at a molecular level, reversing damage from chemical services and heat in just 4 minutes. This patented formula is ideal for severely damaged hair, offering lasting results. If you're looking for a quick yet powerful solution to repair bleached or chemically treated hair, this is it. What people say. My hair felt noticeably softer, smoother, and much easier to manage. It also helped reduce frizz and made my hair look healthier and more hydrated. A small amount goes a long way, so the bottle lasts longer than you might think. It uses a bioactive peptide that reconnects broken keratin chains inside the hair shaft itself, which is something a deep conditioner cannot do. Number 2. Mielle Organics Rosemary Mint Strengthening Hair Mask. Is your hair feeling damaged and weak? It's time to give it the nourishment it deserves. Discover a deep conditioning treatment designed to bring your strands back to life. Unlock the secret to longer, healthier hair. Our powerful formula works to strengthen each strand from root to tip. Encourage the growth you've been dreaming of. Experience the power of nature's finest ingredients. It's enriched with biotin, honey, and coconut oil to deeply condition and protect your hair. Get ready for visibly healthier results. Specifically formulated for hair that needs extra care. This treatment targets damage, providing intense hydration and repair. Restore your hair's natural strength and shine. Transform your hair care routine with this essential treatment. It's the perfect solution for achieving stronger, more resilient hair. Indulge in a spa-like experience at home. See and feel the difference with regular use. This mask helps to mend split ends and reduce breakage. Embrace the beauty of naturally strong and healthy hair. What we like. Infused with rosemary, mint, and biotin, this mask is designed to strengthen your hair and encourage longer, healthier strands. It provides deep conditioning to combat damage and dryness. If you're aiming for hair growth and strength, especially after damage, this is an excellent choice. What people say. My hair has grown so long. This mask makes my hair very soft and the mint tingles your scalp, which stimulates hair growth. My edges and hair have noticeably thickened since I started using the hair mask and also the Mielle rosemary oil. The Mielle Organics Rosemary Mint Strengthening Hair Mask is an excellent deep conditioning treatment for damaged and dry hair. Enriched with biotin, honey, and coconut oil, it promotes longer and healthier hair strands. This Mielle Organics Rosemary Mint Hair Mask is amazing. My damaged hair feels deeply nourished, stronger, and much softer after each use. The rosemary mint scent is refreshing without being overpowering, and it leaves my hair manageable and shiny. Number 1. MAREE Deep Conditioning Hair Mask. Is your hair feeling dry and damaged? Our deep conditioning mask is here to help. It's designed to bring life back to your locks. Experience the power of keratin for healthier hair. This formula works to repair and strengthen with every use. Get the hydration your hair craves for healthy growth. It deeply moisturizes, leaving your hair feeling soft and manageable. Whether your hair is dry, curly, or color-treated, this mask is your solution. It provides essential moisture and care. Keep your hair looking vibrant and refreshed. This treatment helps to maintain the beauty of your colored hair. Discover the difference a truly nourishing treatment can make. Give your hair the care it deserves with MAREE. What we like. This mask utilizes keratin to deeply hydrate and repair dry, damaged hair, making it suitable for all hair types, including curly and color-treated. It's a fantastic option for restoring moisture and improving hair's overall health. If you have dry, damaged, or color-treated hair and need intense hydration and repair, consider this. What people say. My hair now has a frizzy curl to it that I have been unable to control. I use this mask once a week and my hair is tame and free from frizz. Since using the mask, it is silky while maintaining some volume. This product worked the very first time I used it, and it did it in a way that made my color look natural. It picked up on the different shades in my hair, and instead of just turning it all one bright platinum, it actually made it look as if I had a very expensive highlight, lowlight, weaved color done. This amazing hair product has helped and continues to help with my recently bleached hair that took a small toll from the cream and toner combo to get blonde hair. But using this as instructed, applying after shampooing and leaving it on for about 10 minutes to highlight and rejuvenate my hair, it makes every strand feel so soft and get that vibrant look. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.